Hi, I'm Shin, and just as I said, I will show you what I did, what I will do with Honda Prelude. And I think I will record this, but some things I had to do very fast without recording. I put the car to mechanic because I needed to do something like primary inspection. I'm not sure how to name it. And without that I couldn't travel on the roads, so I was doing this all things to pass it. So I have new rear brakes with line brakes from parking handbrake from handbrake lines, because old ones was bad. Calipers are recovered, and the rest is brand new. I already use them a little, and as you can see, also here's a new, because there was a lot of rust, if you remember well. So here, because there is everything okay, under it everything is repaired, are rust holes, the floor is repaired, and the same thing is from the other side, as you can see. Yeah, and I will show you videos later. I was already trying to do my cigarette lighter working and control control from this wind circulation, or what was the name of that? Oh, this one. Because I couldn't switch, I was putting everything out, as you can see, and the reason why it's not working, it's the heater motor unit that is located there. I already bought new one, and I'm waiting for the order. And also, but cigarette lighter doesn't work. I had to remove everything from here just to get to the relay there. It's hard to show to you, but it's on the top of the tops, because I thought that was the reason, because in manual it's written that maybe this is this issue, but it's not. I tried another fuse, and that was also not this, so probably cables are somewhere break, and I must figure out where. Yeah, but for now I think I will just paint this, and that's all for now. So thank you for watching, and bye.